And do you have one of these to brush your teeth with?
Mm.
You do, I know. What do you know what color your button is?
It's blue.
It's blue. Okay. Each one of these has looks like a button, but here on the back.
Stand up.
No.
They can't stand up very well.
No, can't stand up very well?
No, they can't.
Okay. Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of Hot Wheels TV. Today I have my granddaughter Paisley with me, and I just got back from Big Lots, and I found these Brush Buddies toothbrushes, and they are for, of course, our little brush buddies. What are you eating? What do you got? Chocolate. Yeah? You like chocolate?
Mm-hmm. Nana bought that for me.
Who bought that?
Nana.
Nana bought that. Okay. Are you supposed to brush your teeth after you have chocolate? Yeah. And do you have one of these to brush your teeth with?
Mm.
You do, I know. Do you know what color your button is?
It's blue.
It's blue. Okay. Each one of these has looks like a button, but here on the back, you can see that you put your toothbrush in there to keep it from getting anything on if you travel, or just if you have a whole bunch of brothers and sisters in the house, you never know. So each one of these comes. This has a red one. This has a yellow one. This is a green one. That's a dark blue, and that is a light blue. So as far as I know, I've only found 1, 2, 3, 4,
and that one's red.
5 different. Which one is red?
This one.
Well, you know what? You're absolutely right. It's red on the back, and it's light blue on the front. I never noticed that. Huh. Boy, you're all right. You picked that right out, didn't you?
Mm-hmm.
Now, you brush your teeth every night, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, before you go to bed?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Why do we brush our teeth? Why? Keeps the germ monsters out of your. That's right. Okay. So it's always good to brush your teeth, especially after you're eating chocolate. So we're gonna have dinner in a little while, and hopefully that chocolate won't mess up your dinner. So make sure you look in Big Lots, and I know that they were found in the dollar stores out west also. I looked in a couple of Big Lots today. I only found them in 2 out of the 3 stores that I found. So get out there, get them for your little ones. Thanks for watching Hot Wheels TV. Paisley and I really appreciate that. Please subscribe. Please tell your friends. Please be kind to one another. So until the next time we see you someplace else, you take care of yourself. Bye-bye. Can you say bye-bye? Bye-bye.